There are people everywhere making $500 per day with this new income stream and website that offers like 5 freaking income streams for people. It's insane. I've never heard of this before until now, and I'm freaking out about it. And in this video, if you pay attention all the way to the end, you can win a giveaway. You can check out that down below in the description. And then I'm going to give you the 5 income streams with this brand new website that you can do. And I'm going to show you step by step how to do it, and then the highest paying options within the website, and then how to use this website if you are in a country outside of the US. Like, this website's one of the coolest ways you can make money in your free time and downtime and grow it just to the moon. You can make $500 per day if you want. So pay attention all the way through this video. We're going to get into it, and the website is www.
Hello learning machines, this is the website right here called YouTube, and I'm going to explain to you how you can make, just like me, over $300,000 per month leveraging the power of YouTube. Okay, YouTube's one of the best platforms in the entire world. Let's go. This right here is called vidIQ. Okay, now vidIQ is a very, very cool tool. It basically is in connection with YouTube. And this right here is called the most viewed, okay, section of vidIQ. You can literally see what is the best performing content on all of YouTube. And this is so cool because literally you can break down what they're doing that's working for them, and you can apply it for yourself. Okay, I have a massive freaking entertainment channel. It makes me access of $100,000 to $150,000 right now per month, just from that channel passively. I mean, I got other people at this point building content on it, okay? And I'm doing affiliate marketing, all this stuff. You can watch other videos on my channel and I talk about it, but you guys can literally do that for any niche out there. It doesn't have to be entertainment. It can be anything. It could be a personal brand. It could be entertainment. It could be just something very niche, like talk about Marvel movies or something, okay? Now, YouTube Shorts is a big opportunity right now. I wouldn't put all my eggs in one basket of that. I think longer form content's here to stay, and I think longer form content is the most powerful thing you could possibly do in the content world. Okay, now content lasts forever, especially on YouTube, and it'll get found years down the road. You'll get money from it. You could get sales from it. You could definitely get AdSense revenue from views down the road, and that's what's so powerful. Okay, YouTube is one of the only platforms where you get paid per freaking view, basically. Okay, unlike TikTok and all these other platforms, but those are good for like building a brand and stuff like that. Don't get me wrong. Now, here's the thing. So here we are on YouTube. And I want to talk about different ways you can monetize and how you can actually grow. Because as you can see, there is a lot of different random videos here that are like getting 50,000 views per hour all the way to literally basically over 500,000 views per hour. And this is a shorts video, okay? So shorts videos, they just need to be super engaging, just like any video should be. Any video that's long or short needs to be very engaging. And there's some tips to this. The video I did itself, and then the freaking audience bucket. Just the audience bucket itself, if it's big enough, and enough people are interested, it's going to get pushed out to a lot more people. You're going to get more views and all that stuff, okay? The more people are interested in a topic, the more views you will get, guaranteed. Now, something very interesting, you probably noticed this pattern, but thumbnails that are more colorful will get clicked more. Thumbnails that don't even have a thumbnail that's a custom thumbnail, they still will get clicks. But the point is on YouTube is you get a high click-through rate, and you want to go after a high watch time. That's what you got to do. Okay. Now, high watch time's created through a lot of elements. Okay. Good editing, good fast pacing. Story format video will always do phenomenally well. Okay. Lots of pattern interrupts. The video I did itself, how interesting is it? And then a lot of like rare and valuable things and very unique things and things that can't be copied. This stuff goes viral very well. Being different goes viral for any niche. If you're different in one niche, you're going to stand out. Okay. You're going to win. So there you go, that's all that. You can use this tool also to see different niches. So let's say we want to see animals, okay? So if we look at the animal niche, you'll literally see right here, this freaking video right here is getting 40,000 views. This one right here is getting 20,000 views per hour. Okay, the animal video niche is very funny. You can do a lot of things with it, okay? But we'll leave it at that. If you want to do something like celebrities, okay, celebrities niche, okay? You'll just look into it. I mean, I doubt anyone's really putting that into their title, but we could do this. Celebrity. Boom, 7,000 views per hour. Pretty much, I mean, you can look in any niche and see. You could type in a specific celebrity's name or just like a president. If you look at Trump right here or Biden, you can literally see they're getting like tons of views per hour. And that's the thing about audience buckets. Different freaking audience buckets get big views per hour. And so you just got to look. If you really look even deeper, you'll see just in general, okay? This is showing the highest in the past 7 days type thing, okay? These are shorts videos, and they're appealing really to a kid audience. And kids will always be the biggest audience no matter what. Now, you got to understand, you got to really go after grown-ups, okay? Content that grown-ups like more. because that's where real money can be, because they actually have money and advertisers actually pay for the views. And you can still make AdSense money from kids, but you can make way more money, from my experience, from really going after people that actually have a college education, or at least have some money in the bank account, at least, or some money that they could spend, or at least of age to buy stuff. Okay, that's way more valuable of an audience. I'm sure you see why. Okay, now to grow on YouTube, if you get into suggested, you will win. You will win every time, and the reason why is because that's when YouTube will literally push you and recommend you and everything on the side of videos and all this stuff. And the only way to do that, have that happen, is high watch time, big audience appeal, audience bucket, okay, plus high watch time. Okay, how you do that, once again, is audience retention tactics. And there's so many elements to this. Look at the videos that you've watched till the end, and you'll look at what made you watch till the end, and you should implement that. But I believe to have high audience retention, things need to be very fast paced. You need to have lots of pattern interrupts, and every freaking 1 second, if you can, have something new added into the video, okay, in the editing process. Okay, if people have something they're looking forward to at the end of the video, like a payoff at the end, I'm not talking have a giveaway and incentivize people to watch till the end. I'm actually saying, like, innately and naturally making people want to watch till the end, because there's a payoff. Just like a story has a payoff, a character has a desire, and the desire is achieved at the end of the video. Okay, if you can make videos like that, that's what YouTube really wants, because then they can really compete, which they already are. They can compete with Netflix, HBO, Hulu, and all these freaking streaming sites, okay, and Disney Plus and all these. Because what's on those sites? Okay, highest quality videos in the world. All right, highest production value videos in the world. They are all story format, and YouTube's really after that. You got to understand that. Okay, that's like one of the biggest things you got to understand. So if you make videos like that, by the way, Mr. Beast does that, and big creators do that, and even vlogs do that, and music videos even have a story format to them. Okay, and when you understand that, you now can take the right actions, okay, to your content and what you do. Compilations are great. Interesting clips pushed together is great, but story format videos will always crush. Okay, and always get higher audience retention. You'll literally have a spike at the end of videos because there's a payoff at the end of the video. Does that make sense? So don't forget that, and literally make the highest quality effort videos you possibly can. And then how do you monetize, guys? Let's talk about this now. You can do affiliate marketing, you can do CPA marketing, then you have AdSense revenue, okay, that is being made. And then the other thing is you can do merch, okay, you can do digital products, and it literally goes on and on. I have seen creators branch out of digital everything to monetize, and they literally do things like brick and mortar stores, their own stores, okay, and stuff outside of the online world. Okay, so remember that YouTube is way more powerful than you think. Building a brand is way more powerful than you think, and it's 100% worth every second you put into it. Okay, so don't forget that. This is a very powerful method. This can change people's lives, and I attribute YouTube to all my success. So go out there and crush it. Thank you so much for watching Learn Machines, and peace out.